Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Mandy.
Justin.
And we're exploring some more. And today's RV adventure involves a little bit of RV maintenance. We've been sitting here in my parents' driveway for a little while now, and we've managed to do quite a few little RV repairs, one of which was a little unexpected. The first week we got here, we had a hailstorm, which resulted in our RV vent hood. A lot of RVs have this. Justin, you've got the hood there. It had a wee bit of an accident, and the hail actually cracked the hood once and for all.
Water started coming through.
Yeah.
So as a quick fix just for that night, we applied some duct tape here and some Eternivon
The next day.
the next day on the top, and we went ahead and ordered a brand new vent covering, which as you can see here, this one had taken quite a bit of a, not sure if you can see the texture on that, but it was not looking too great. It's pretty thin and flimsy. I could probably just snap it in half if I wanted to.
But you can order these online. They're really easy to find replacements for. You just got to measure it and find the right type to suit your hood, which ours had this hinge piece here. And so we found one that matched that and then just bought a new one. And we're going to take you guys step by step through our process of installing the new one.
Yeah.
It's pretty easy, so.
Real easy to install. You just need a screwdriver. That's pretty much it. It is a two-person job, most likely. You need someone on the roof and someone on the inside.
Yeah.
You could maybe do it with one person, but it would be a lot harder.
True.
Yeah.
Anyway, so here is our footage about replacing the RV vent hood in case you need to do it too. Thanks for watching. There it goes. Oh, got a couple more for you to take off.
Okay.
These two right here.
Can you hand me the drill?
Yeah. All right. Oh, Justin.
Yeah.
Nope, right there. Sorry. Grab that.
Yeah, I got it.
Hold that up. Top notch craftsmanship.